The wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto car decoder for Toyota TOU series, including models like Corolla, Camry, Yaris, CHR, Auris, RAV4, Prius and Highlander, 2014 to 2019, represents a cutting-edge automotive accessory designed to revolutionize your in-car connectivity and infotainment experience. Wireless connectivity. This car decoder introduces the convenience of wireless connectivity for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Say goodbye to cumbersome cables and enjoy seamless integration with your smartphone. Wide model compatibility. Specifically engineered to be compatible with various Toyota TOU CH2 models, ensuring a broad range of users can benefit from its advanced features. Supported models include Corolla, Camry, Yaris, CHR, Auris, RAV4, Prius and Highlander. Spanning the years 2014 to 2019, Apple CarPlay integration. Experience the full spectrum of Apple CarPlay functionalities wirelessly. Access navigation. Make calls, send messages. Android Auto compatibility. For Android users, this decoder seamlessly integrates with Android Auto, providing intuitive access to navigation, communication, and other apps directly from your Android device. Enhanced infotainment. Transform your car's infotainment system with this decoder. Enjoy advanced features, real-time updates, and personalized content streaming, making each drive more enjoyable and connected. Easy installation. The decoder is designed for straightforward installation, ensuring that users can easily set it up without the need for professional assistance. The plug-and-play nature of the device simplifies the integration process. Maintain steering wheel controls. This decoder preserves the functionality of your car's steering wheel controls, allowing you to adjust settings, control media playback, and manage calls without taking your hands off the wheel. User-friendly interface. Navigate through the system effortlessly with a user-friendly interface that mirrors the familiarity of your smartphone. The touchscreen controls offer a seamless and responsive interaction. Upgrade your driving experience with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto car decoder, bringing the latest in-car connectivity features to your compatible Toyota TOU CH2 model. Enjoy the convenience, safety, and entertainment possibilities this advanced accessory has to offer.